Proper preparation prevents poor performance. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the macro, okay? A macro update. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let me know if you honestly think the Black Swan event will affect the cryptocurrency market. In fact, family, we're already starting to see effects in the cryptocurrency market. It is a red day across the board. You already know the big brains like us, the Warren Buffett strategy. We try to buy up the fear. Now, it's not always great to buy up every dip. I specifically like flash crashes or when something crazy happens in the market because we see cryptocurrencies, for instance, like Robit, which has been a very strong cryptocurrency for the year, down 10%. It gives us an opportunity to find those cryptocurrencies that have had the most strength for the year and get into those entry points. So I'll be looking for a few cryptocurrencies that I've been, salivating to actually get into, and I can say that with a smile on my face because I'm finally today may get that opportunity or sometime this week. If you are interested in what I'm looking at, my mentality as far as new cryptocurrencies or narratives, be sure to join the Patreon. We also have a free Discord. Now, how long will this pain last? That is the question, family. We got a lot of stuff going on. So you can see here that the US household savings are running out. Now, contrary to many people's beliefs, if you are an investor, you're kind of looking for things to bottom out. You're looking for savings to run out. You're looking for more people to lose their jobs. You're looking for the housing market to crash. In fact, I was on Facebook and I ran across a Facebook post where these people in the community were getting mad at their neighbor family for selling their house for a low price. So they were getting mad at their neighbors for the bringing down the whole neighborhood's market by underselling their house for a very, very low price. Literally, if you go to Facebook, they have these groups, these community groups, right? These neighborhood community groups, and everybody in the community was really bashing this household about bringing down the property value because they were selling their houses at a very, 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 very low price compared to the market, which will bring down everything around that house. So when you start to see stuff like that, that, my friend, is a signal that the bottom is near. And I know we've been saying that for a while. In fact, nobody expected this bear market to last that long. In my opinion, I don't know why, when we already know the halving cycle was 4 years down the line from when we had the last bull run. So in my as I'm learning across the board, I'm not surprised that we've been here for 4 years or going on 4 years or whatever. But it's crazy how people become savages, right? People become savages as that the water starts to get turned off, right? That water, you see these savings, that water starting to get turned off, and everybody was balling. Pre-COVID, all of those savings are headed to the poorhouse. So, very, 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 very interesting take right there. And of course, we do got the war. Salute to the people and the families that's going through that, man. Prayers up. I don't wish that upon nobody. This actually gives me an opportunity to appreciate the country that I live in. But again, we preach peace on this channel. I'm not here to get into the politics. In fact, I have no idea what's going on or the backstory behind it. But the one thing I do preach is peace, man. I hate to see innocent lives get involved with something as nasty as war. So at the end of the day, this could be a Black Swan event that literally affects cryptocurrency. And of course, 23 days until the next FOMC meeting, where 83% of the CME experts are predicting a federal pause. We've seen this number on the side here rise, fluctuate. It was up to 27% at one point throughout the week last week. Now it's down to 16%. I'm interested and intrigued to see how oil reacts to what's going on in the world as far as the war. But again, we preach peace over here. There is, can't wait till that actually says zero, but there is 190 days until the Bitcoin halving cycle, and the ETA estimated time for this cycle is April 17th. So we'll continue to, count down the days until then. As far as the entire macro environment, we can actually take a look at the DXY's how it's performing. You can see the DXY did put in a higher high. Um, Broke the downtrend and now is again above the 200-day moving average on the weekly, which is extremely bullish for the DXY. So does the DXY come up and challenge the yearly top? Maybe. If so, I'm expecting crypto and Bitcoin to endure a little bit of pain. If the DXY does go up and crypto doesn't really get affected, that's actually a bullish sign for the market, and it's showing, it's flexing that we may be in the start of a bull run. You can see here that the tether dominance trading sideways really was overbought, but holding up as well, running with the DXY, which tells me people are still hiding a lot of liquidity in stable coins and looking for kind of like myself, looking for an opportunity in the market to load up their bags. Taking a look at the Bitcoin charts here, you can see I believe that we're a little bit over 27. So we've been holding up even in the midst of this potential black swan event. Let me reload that and make sure this is the right price for you guys. So yeah, 27 on the weekly. We're still on that uptrend. We talked about this I believe yesterday. Maybe it was on the live stream or maybe it was in the Patreon. But you can see clear as day we are in an uptrend on Bitcoin, and the dominance is also rising on the weekly. Bitcoin looks very strong. I did see a bearish divergence from the stock RSI, but we did get confirmation that we have bullish momentum as the blue line crossed over the orange, and we did break 20 here. So the market is extremely bipolar. It's hard to give you a, you know what I mean? It's hard to give you guys an opinion of what I actually think because I'm getting so many mixed signals in the market. You know, Bitcoin is one of those assets that can run during a black swan event as people look for an opportunity to store their money. Hence the reason Bitcoin is a store of value. So I wouldn't put Bitcoin in the same sentence as crypto right now because Bitcoin is one of those assets that's more compared to gold, as we see stuff like gold, hard assets literally pick up within catastrophic events. I know it sounds crazy, but that's how it works, and that's exactly why Bitcoin was created. So definitely keep that in mind. The dominance is definitely rising, which coincides with what I just said. People are looking to put that cash inside the vault, right? The Bitcoin vault, and you can see this dominance is over the 200-day moving average. Very bullish for the dominance. I actually want to show you guys something. I have this circle here. I know a lot of people ask me about this circle. I think it's the circle of investment. That's what I want to call it, because if Bitcoin can get anywhere between 57% to 60% dominance, in my opinion, that is a great opportunity to start buying altcoins. If Bitcoin gets to 60% dominance, altcoins most likely are getting wrecked, even the good ones. But on the flip side, as an opportunist, this gives us an opportunity to actually find those favorable entry points as the crypto market starts to rebound. So put yourself in a good position. Stop making this thing so hard. Um, it's not hard. As far as Ethereum clearly here is in a downtrend. You can see it just got rejected off the trend. Ethereum is still bearish. ERC20 tokens are still bearish outside of some of the very strong ones for the year, which one of them I'm very bullish on is a Tor protocol. And I'll do a couple videos on a Tor protocol in the Patreon, and then you'll start seeing me cover it more on the channel a little bit down the line. But you can see here Ethereum still under the 200-day moving average. From here to here, the downtrend continues. We just got rejected off the trend, and it looks like the stock RSI wants to hang down and bear zone for a little bit longer. So we'll just have to also keep an eye on Ethereum. What was also interesting is the the Bitcoin pair just just broke down. You can see we've been hanging down here for man, and this is the weekly. The Bitcoin pair has been getting wrecked, and this is why a lot of altcoins are setting new lows, right? This is a very important indicator, and the longer we stay down here and the longer we continue to get wrecked on the Bitcoin pair, I expect altcoins to continue to get wrecked as well. So not really understanding where a lot of this bullishness is getting from a lot of people out here that's saying that we're, now I know October could be okay, but in my opinion, it's more than likely Q4 is not going to be as bullish as people are saying. Hopefully, I'm wrong because I got some nice positions in cryptocurrency, but I'm just not seeing bullish indicators here on the monthly for sure, but even on the weekly, we're seeing a lot of bearish indicators as well. Double bottom on the total market cap. Um, Bitcoin is really carrying us right now as far as the total market cap because altcoins have been getting wrecked. Bitcoin is carrying us. We still are right here at the downtrend. Do we get rejected or do we make the downtrend support? That would be interesting. You can see here in order for us to break it, we got to get somewhere around 1.7 trillion dollar market cap. That would be nice. I think right now we're at like 1.6. So we need to really look to break the neckline here at 1.16 trillion dollar market cap for the total altcoin markets. But again, the downtrend continues. This downtrend was from the monthly, and this has been total accumulation right here in the total altcoin market. So a lot of people have been accumulating cryptocurrency for the last since June 2022. We have been in accumulation zone. Actually, I want to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Let's delete here and kind of like delete here. But it looks like my pattern could possibly play out. And we, in some, maybe we get to a $800 billion market cap. That would be a lot of opportunity. But since June 2022, actually, let's refresh this. Since June 2022, there has been nothing but accumulation going on. I want to go back to the total market cap here and show you guys what I'm talking about. But you can see since June 22, there's been nothing but accumulation going on, which is a healthy sign because that's what you want to see from the cryptocurrency market. We want to delete this here. Do apologize. I thought I already had this drawn, but sometimes you got to reload it. But you can see here all of this accumulation. So, crypto is ready to pop. We just got the macro and the interest rates holding us down. The more they keep these interest rates high, the more the crypto market will be suppressed. So right now, crypto literally wants to go up, but we're being suppressed by interest rates. I think people need to understand that as long as we continue to have the interest rates so high, it's going to be hard for Bitcoin or even cryptocurrency to move up. You'll see little micro caps and altcoins. That's why I tell you guys to have take some type of risk because you can make money in this market with micro cap altcoins. But the blue chips, the ones that have a lot of the institutional money in it, they trade with these stocks. They trade with the stocks. So I know it's hard taking a risk and taking losses because you're not gonna hit every micro cap. Trust me, I haven't hit on every micro cap. If I did, I'd be wealthy as hell right now. But that's just not how it works. I'm not trying to make this video too long. We can go into a few more things like the total market cap here. Without Bitcoin, Ethereum, this is the altcoin market. The altcoin market has started a uptrend. So you can see here, maybe we get a double bottom. It's tough because we got macro macro stuff going on, and the stock market here is it's getting wrecked and it's hanging around in bear zone. We also would have to keep an eye on crude oil and see if oil reacts positively or negatively to the war here. So that's all I got for you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick macro update. Bitcoin continues to hold strong, man. This is positive right here. As Bitcoin continues to hold strong, that doesn't mean altcoins are going to hold strong. Bitcoin going sideways means altcoins down. Bitcoin going down means altcoins getting wrecked. And Bitcoin goes up means altcoins possibly getting wrecked. But it means we're one step closer to altcoins pumping because when Bitcoin, a lot of that liquidity from the profits of Bitcoin starts pouring into altcoins, we can finally see altcoins go crazy. Because I know that's what y'all here for. Y'all here for the altcoins, not Bitcoin. So let me know what y'all think about the entire cryptocurrency market, this macro environment. Will we see more pain? Are we in a bull run? Are we in a bear market still? Accumulation stage? Somebody let me know what's going on. Love to hear you guys' comments. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.